Bonjour. Here's one. This is Les Questions from January 13th, so make sure you're on the right one. There's two of them called Les Questions. But again, we're just making more questions. All right. Make a question out of each statement using inversion. Follow the model. So that not the ESCA one, but inversion. Vous parlez anglais? Take the subject and verb, reverse them, put a hyphen. Parlez-vous anglais? Check it out. All right. Ils sont québécois. I like to copy them. Ils sont québécois. What we're going to do is put sont-ils québécois and a question mark. Sont-ils québécois? Are they from Quebec? So the first one's a statement, the second one's a question. Elles adorent voyager. Might be easier just to type this one. Adore-t-elle voyager? Reverse the subject and verb. They adore traveling. Do they adore traveling? Tu parles espagnol becomes, you got it, parles-tu espagnol? Parles-tu espagnol? Il y a 5 étudiants, or 25 étudiants. There are 25 students. Il y a, it's a little bit weird. It's y-a-t-il, because a-il just sounds weird to them. A-il, so they put a T in there for sound. Y a-t-il 25 étudiants. So you're asking a question now. Are there 25 students? Oh. Y a-t-il 25 étudiants? And le professeur donne des devoirs difficiles. Check it out here. Le professeur stays the same, but we're going to replace him with il. So le professeur donne, put a T for sound. Oops, where'd it go? Donne-t-il des devoirs difficiles? So it's like, does he give? The professor, does he give homework that's hard? Notice you're just reversing the subject and verb. And let's see if we got them right. Okay. We got it. Sont-ils québécois? Adore-t-elle voyager? Parles-tu espagnol? Y a-t-il 25 étudiants? And le professeur donne des devoirs difficiles. All right. If you have any more trouble with other assignments, let me know. Merci.